I'm Travis Egan, my mortgage guy, VA loan specialist, and on today's VA home loan myth busting, what's the minimum FICO score for VA home loans? Stand by.
Left, right, left, sir, yes, sir.
One of the most common questions I get asked, what's the minimum FICO score the VA requires? This is the most common myth or misconception that surrounds the VA home loan. What's the minimum FICO score the VA requires? There are two entities at play here. The first one is mortgage companies, banks, and credit unions, the lenders. The second entity is the VA. Lenders give money, the VA provides insurance to the lender in the event of default or foreclosure. They guarantee this with the VA guarantee loan fee. The VA guarantees the lender 25% of their original loan balance in the event of default or foreclosure. Now, the VA sets the minimum guidelines that active duty members, their families, or veteran home buyers must meet. Lenders, considering that they're the ones given the money, they can add on any additional layers of risk protection to ensure the money that they will give will be paid back on time and as agreed each and every month for the duration of the loan. So what does the VA guideline require for minimum FICO scores? The answer is there isn't any minimum FICO score. Because lenders are given the money, they set their own additional layer of risk protection. As my father used to say, he who holds the gold makes the rules. Every lender across the country is different when it comes to minimum FICO score requirements. Most lenders require a 580 or higher. There are some lenders that require 620, and there are other lenders that are higher than that. Now, the reason why we analyze FICO score is because it's a good indication of future behavior. We use credit report to analyze the past willingness to pay the creditors as agreed. It shows and demonstrates the financial responsibility of the borrower. They have demonstrated the responsibility to pay their bills on time to satisfy the lender. That is, if we're going to give them $200,000, are they likely to make on-time payments each and every month for the duration of the loan? Now, this is where the end lender overlay comes in. The lower the credit score, the less likely the borrower is to pay their payments, as agreed and on time. So every lender is different and will have different comfort levels with loans based on lower credit scores. So if you, a customer, family member, or friend are applying for a VA home loan, you need to do your due diligence on shopping lenders. So as a consumer, you are not penalized. I'm going to repeat that. You are not penalized for shopping lenders. So if you have a hard credit pull that everyone dreads, you will not be penalized. If multiple mortgage lenders pull your credit within a short period, it's all coded the same, and the credit bureaus know you're looking for your best options. It's all considered to be the same. It does not matter. So yes, you can have your credit pulled and your credit score decrease by about 3 points for approximately 30 days, and then it rebounds right back up. So having your credit pulled by multiple lenders is not a bad thing. While FICO scores are a common lender overlay, there are a couple of others. Property types is another big one. I can't even tell you how many people blame the VA for not allowing manufactured or mobile homes. That's false. The VA will allow financing on manufactured or mobile homes. Not all lenders will allow it. Bankruptcy seasoning requirements is another one. Almost every lender that you talk to will tell you that 2 years since the date of discharge is the requirement. That's false as well. VA guidelines state after 12 months, a lender can give favorable consideration as long as the veteran has reestablished financial responsibility. Now, there's two types of bankruptcies, Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. Chapter 7 bankruptcy is a reset button, wiping out all your debts. it's very difficult to reestablish financial responsibility within 12 months. However, it can be done. Chapter 13 bankruptcy is a voluntary reorganization of your debts. It's a legal remedy to repay the debts on a schedule set forth by the court. If you've made 12 consecutive payments in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, it is possible to provide a VA home loan. Here's how you can tell the difference between an okay to good loan officer and a true expert. Other lenders may know the guidelines. A true expert knows the exceptions to those guidelines. So do your due diligence and shop your lenders. If you need somebody, please reach out to me. I'm happy to connect you with my network of VA home loan experts from around the country. Again, my name is Travis Egan, my mortgage guy, VA home loan specialist. Have a great week. I'll see you next week on VA Home Loan Myths. Semper Fi.
Live